This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important issue many creators are facing right now. As you can see on the screen, the message says you're no longer earning money. Due to unresolved issues, you lost access to monetization programs. If you are also seeing this warning in your dashboard, don't panic. In this video, I will explain main reasons behind this problem and how you can fix it. Let's start with the reasons. First reason is policy violation. If your content does not follow the platform's monetization policies, such as copyright content, reused videos, or misleading information, your monetization can be disabled. Second reason is unoriginal or low quality content. If you upload copied videos, slideshows, or AI generated content without value, the system may restrict your earnings. If your account has multiple warnings or violations, the platform automatically removes monetization access. Fourth reason is suspicious activity. This includes fake engagement like bots, buying views, or unusual traffic spikes. Fifth reason is incomplete account setup. Sometimes payout details, tax info, or identity verification is missing or incorrect. Now let's move to the solutions. First, go to your monetization or professional dashboard and click on the view button to check the exact issue. Always read the detailed reason provided by the platform. Second, remove or delete any content that may violate policies. Focus only on original and high quality videos. Third, avoid using copyrighted music, clips, or re-uploaded content. Always create your own content or use properly licensed materials. Fourth, check your account status. Make sure there are no active strikes or warnings. If there are, wait for them to expire or submit an appeal if possible. Fifth, complete all required information like payment setup, identity verification, and tax details. Sixth, stop using any third-party services that promise fake views, likes, or followers. These can permanently damage your account. Seventh, if you believe this is a mistake, you can request a review through the platform support option. Important tip, start uploading fresh, original content consistently. The algorithm needs time to trust your account again. So this is how you can understand and fix the you're no longer earning money problem. Remember, most of the time this issue is caused by policy violations or low quality content, but it can be fixed if you follow the correct steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment below if you are facing this problem